We're pushing it through our processing system, which is almost
is very high tech and sorts 14.
Look, they're sorting everything by hand. My milk jug. Whoa, that's a lot of recycle. It's the sort.
Employees here are sorting everything on the conveyor belt. St. Peter's Recycling Center says they don't see much contamination.
An experimental robot that separates. Horowitz said, but since it's constantly learning, he expects it to recycling center for a year.
The improvements.
If it continues to improve, Alpine could bring it on permanently. Recyclers buy them as well.
We want to put these in facilities across the country.
To separate all types of recycling. Don Champion, CBS News, Dallas.
Processing lines that run through the whole facility.
In order to keep the streams separate, the two lines never meet. So that
from here, the lightweight materials head to the obstacle sorter.
Do all of this going so fast.
So here we are in the container sort room, where we sort things like number 2 plastics, like detergent bottles, and polycoat containers, such as juice boxes and milk cartons. The reason these are called polycoat containers is because they consist of several different layers of materials, such as paper and plastic, and in the case of some juice boxes, a layer of aluminum on the inside.
The final sorting is done manually.
Our last stop is the residual line.
Are captured. That's the highest capture rate in all of Ontario, and quite possibly North America.
Respond to the evolving ton, not even at 23%. It is now less than 1%. We've also seen improvement in the UV for people that we're targeting fiber on our pre-sort for our container line. BHS going into our container line. And early feedback is that Max is doing 66 discrete picks per minute. That is significantly better than what our human performance was. We are early on in the development quality pack that's sellable in most markets. We basically have capacity.
The remaining material is conveyed to the container recovery.
The resulting plastic shreds are cleaned of any shampoo. High-quality products.
Taking away the need to sort materials manually.
Unless you've got a lot of
robots recognize materials.
We get everything from Chris.
And early feedback is that Max is doing 66 discrete picks per minute. That is significantly better than what our human performance was. We are early on